Hello to all you lovely mums out there. If you're watching this during cold or flu season and you've been dealing with congestion, coughing, or chest discomfort, this tapping is for you. After a bad cough, it's very common for the muscles around the chest, sternum, and ribs to feel sore or tight. Sometimes that physical pain can also trigger worry or anxiety in the mind. This tap along is designed to help you calm your nervous system, reassure your body that it is safe, and support your natural healing process. You can tap along with me now or come back to this whenever your body needs some extra care. Sitting up nice and straight, take a lovely deep breath in and out. Get in touch with how that congestion and pain is feeling in your body and where exactly you are feeling it. Then gently tap on the side of your hand and repeat after me. Even though my chest feels sore and uncomfortable right now, I deeply and completely accept myself. Even though this pain and tightness has made me feel a bit anxious, I choose to support my body with calm and care. Even though my body has been through a lot with coughing and congestion, I am open to allowing it to soften and heal. Tapping on the eyebrow point. The soreness in my chest, side of the eye. This tight feeling in my sternum, under the eye. My ribs feel strained, under the nose, and it hurts when I cough or move, under the chin. My chest feels tense, collarbone. My body has been working hard, under the arm. This lingering discomfort, top of the head. All of this tension in my chest, eyebrow. This discomfort feels unsettling, side of the eye. Chest pain can feel scary, under the eye. My mind jumps to worry, under the nose, and I don't like feeling this way. Chin. My nervous system is on alert. Collarbone. My body feels guarded. Under the arm. I've been holding tension here. Top of the head. And I just want reassurance that everything is okay. Eyebrow. My body has been under strain. Side of the eye. So much coughing and congestion. Under the eye. My muscles are tired. Under the nose. My chest needs kindness. Chin. I acknowledge this discomfort. Collarbone. I honor how hard my body has worked. Under the arm. I am listening to my body now. Top of the head. It's okay to slow down. Eyebrow. I acknowledge this pain. Side of the eye. I acknowledge the worry around it. Under the eye. I am reminding my body that I am safe. Under the nose. My body knows how to heal. Chin. This discomfort is temporary. Collarbone. I allow my nervous system to calm. Under the arm. I don't need to panic. Top of the head. Everything is okay now. Eyebrow. I choose calm. Side of the eye. I choose reassurance. Under the eye. I allow my chest to soften. Under the nose. I allow the muscles to relax. Chin. I allow the inflammation to settle and dissipate. Collarbone. My breath can move freely. Under the arm. My body is safe. Top of the head. I trust my body's healing process. And I give it permission to heal me now. Take a deep breath in and out. Take a moment to notice how your body feels right now. You might notice a little more space or ease or calm. That's just your nervous system settling. You can return to this tapping once or twice a day while you are recovering, or anytime your body needs reassurance. Be gentle with yourself. Your body knows how to heal. Thank you for tapping with me today.